So let's see how we can link one page to another, and we will have spent plenty of time clicking on different links that appear on different website, and they are actually really easy and introduced into your web page. So let's include a paragraph tag on our web page, and to include a particular link we have to use a tag which stands for anchor tag. And you will notice that this href attribute is here, the only attribute we can use with the anchor tag. So whatever URL or whatever link that you want to connect with your web page, that you have to provide between these double quote to href attribute. So let's say I want to connect this web page with the google.com. So for that I have to provide the complete URL for the Google website inside the href attribute. So the complete URL is http www.google.com, and let's say we should write here Google only between these anchor tag. Okay, so we have a link which say Google on our web page. So as soon as we click on this particular link, so we browse will redirect me to this google.com web page. Okay, now I have quick challenge for you. So I want to include an image on our web page, and as soon as we click on that image, so our web page should redirect us to Wikipedia website. So just pause the video and go for it. Okay, so I hope you managed that. So let's include one more paragraph and an anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag we have used the image tag for including an image. Okay, and for including an image we have to use the source attribute. So inside the source attribute we have to provide either the name of the image or the complete URL of the image. So I have already downloaded the image. I will just provide the name of my image. So that is my image, Homer Simpson's .png, and here in the href I will provide the URL for the Wikipedia website. Okay, let's save this and refresh it. So we have this image include, and let's click on it. Okay, cool. So we are, as soon as we click on the particular image, so we are redirect to this wikipedia.com website. Okay, so this was the first type of link. So this type of link we are called absolute link, because whenever you click on this type of link, your browser will redirect you to this particular website. Now let's see the second type of URL, which is called relative URL. So basically we use the relative URL connecting different HTML files. So let's include one more paragraph and an anchor tag. And here let's suppose I want to connect this hello world file with my link HTML file. So for that I just need to provide the name of my file. So I will say hello world HTML, and I don't need to provide the complete URL like this, because this hello world HTML file is already present in the same directory. And let's say hello world. Let's save this and see the changes. So this is the link created for my hello world.html file, and as I click on this, so I can see the connect of this hello world.html file. So if you are going to create your own website, so I would recommend you to use relative link mode to connect different web pages all together. Okay, so let me just copy this second paragraph and paste it a few times on this web page. Let's save this and see the changes. So now you will see that we have very much content on our web page. We can scroll down and up. So basically in that case where we can scroll our web pages, so when we reach to other bottommost point of our web page, so we have a link which says back on the top. So you must have seen that in many of the websites. So we are going to see how we can include that type of hyperlink in our web pages, and it's pretty much simple. So for that, basically we have to see the topmost element which is present on our web page. So this topmost element is just linked to the Google website, which is the first paragraph. So in this paragraph I am going to use an attribute that is called as id, and this id attribute we are going to use when we will study about cascading style sheet to implement design on our web pages. So let's give it id as top, and here at the bottom or side of page I will include one more paragraph and anchor link. Now I don't have to provide any particular url of any particular name of my file. What I need to do is I just need to put hash symbol and then the name of id. So I will put the name of hash symbol and then the name of id, and let's say we should write here back up to top. Let's save this and refresh it, so you can see the link has been added to at the bottom of side of my page, and as I click on it, so I reach to the starting point of my web page. So let's quickly recap what we did in the particular video. So we have seen how to include an absolute link to our web page. Also we have seen what are relative links and how we connect different files with the help of relative links, and then at the last we have seen how to include such type of hyperlink in our web pages. So that was all for this video. So in the next video we are going to see HTML entities.